Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video is I'll be unboxing the Shimano front chain wheel 3x crankset FC-MT210. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa ating next upload. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the Shimano 3x9 speed crankset made from Malaysia. With two-piece construction, compatible with outboard 24mm bottom brackets, the Shimano FC-MT210 is designed for 3x9 speed MTB drive trains. It features SGX chain rings and precise reliable shifting. Product specifications. This crankset is a series of Shimano Alivio M3100 series. Chainring combinations are 40, 30, and 22 teeth, with fixing screw included. 170mm crank arm length. Recommended bottom bracket is press fit BB-MT500PA or pwede rin threaded BB-MT500. Compatible chain is 9-speed, any brand is okay. Non-removable. This crankset is non-removable chainring, and also no BB included. For the price, it's 1,800 only. You can order it through Shopee. I just put the link in the description below. And that's the end of this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and also the subscribe button para ma-notify ka sa ating next upload. If you have question or suggestion, comment down below. Thanks for watching!